What? What are we gonna do with all this snow?
I don't know.
Oh my.
Holy cucumbers. Holy cucumbers.